In this video, I'm going to show you how to sanitize your water softener. Now, a lot of people skip this step or don't even know about this. But all these factories that make these water softeners, they pressure test them at the factory, drain out as much water as they can, wrap them in plastic, box them up, and ship them off. But what happens when you have moisture inside a box wrapped in plastic with no air movement? It develops mold, mildew, and bacteria. And then it's going to sit in your local distributor or your big box store for how many months before somebody purchases it. So you notice whenever you take your water softener out of the box, lift off the plastic, there's going to be moisture on the inside of that plastic. That's because it's been sitting for a while with some moisture inside this head. So you need to sanitize a new water softener before you use it. That mold, mildew, and bacteria is going to build up in there, and you want to get that out. It doesn't take very long. It's a simple and easy step. Now if you do buy a used one, maybe on Marketplace, you might want to do this as well. But I'm going to show you how to do it in this video so that your water softener is nice and clean. It's going to last you a long time. So you're going to want to go ahead and open the salt lid on your unit and remove this brine well cover. Go ahead and set that aside. And then you're going to want to get some bleach. You can use laundry bleach or regular Clorox bleach, it doesn't matter. And you're going to dump about 3 to 5 ounces of bleach down the brine well. Once you've put the bleach in the brine well, you're going to go ahead and put your brine well cover back on. And now you're going to hold in your recharge button. And on most units, even if you don't have a Rheem unit, maybe you got a GE, Frigidaire, doesn't really matter. A lot of units I've noticed, if you just hold the recharge button in for about 3 to 4 seconds, it will automatically recharge. And now we're going to go ahead and do the recharge cycle. And once that's done, I'll show you what else you need to do. Your recharge cycle is all done. Your water softener is now fully sanitized. We need to go open all the faucets in the house, let the water run for about 5 minutes, and then we're good to go. Once you've let all your faucets run for about 5 minutes, this process is done. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.